As part of the campsite, this is like a little community room. Oh, there's more, there's more! Hi everyone, welcome to dubventures and welcome to another video. This is where we stayed last night. There's Brooke, there's camper vans, Anna's in the van waving over there, Scott's over there. Scott, what do you think of the campsite? You've not stayed here before, do you like it?
Wonderful.
Yeah, that's good. We're the only people here. We had a bit of a van meet as well. A couple of people turned up, but because of the weather the way it is in Scotland, a lot of people did cancel. So, got an exciting couple of days ahead, haven't we?
Very busy few days coming up.
Very busy few days. Scott actually surprised us yesterday. He was supposed to be coming today, but he actually drove all the way from down south, all the way up to Scotland to come here and to surprise us. And when we drove into the campsite, we was like, that looks like Scott over there, and it was. So he drove all during the night to join us on the next few days of the trip. So let's get on the road and then we'll tell you more about what we're doing. Just pulled in at the local shop just to get some bits because, you know, we've obviously been eating a lot of food and because there's 3 of us on the go. So yeah, just picking some bits up and then we will get on the road.
So we're just putting some fuel in, and then Tom being Tom, what's he want to do? Jet wash the van.
Just hold the camera, sir.
Yeah, go on, dude. So there you go. Yeah, and you got mud on the bottom of the boots.
It's very wet, guys.
I think it's going to be interesting.
Right, we've arrived at the campsite that we're staying at tonight. Now, there's only me and Scott that's actually staying at this campsite, and the camping pitches are actually here, but because it's covered in snow and things, the guy that we've just been speaking to, he said that we can park here, which is fine because it's hard standing. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to have a quick look in here. So we've just pulled up and, you know, we're just having a bit of a tour around. Now, they actually have glamping pods here with jacuzzis and stuff, and as you know, we're all about stuff like that as well. So oh, I tell you what, and then they've got the hot tub out there. Yeah, I'll be getting Brooke to have a quick look at here because, you know, we do like our glamping, and this, the glamping with a hot tub is something that we've been looking for, and I've just been talking to the prices. This is Dougie, this is the guy that you speak to if you do put some inquiries. Obviously I'll put links in the descriptions, as you all know anyway. But I think a weekend away, Brooke, and glamping up here suits us just fine, and then just look at that view as well. Oh, look at it in here. Do you know what? I have to say, you know, a lot of people do tell us that, you know, when they watch our journeys and things like that, that they'd love to do things like that, but they don't have a camper van and they're not in a position, you know, they can get a camper van. Things like this are available where you can sort of like come and get like a camping experience with like luxury, you know, you've got like heating and things and kitchen and sinks and stuff. So it's like a little, like this little bit here, it's like a little village type of thing, isn't it? You know, next to its own. They've got like a community room here as well where, you know, if there's a few of you, you can come in and look at that! Washing machine and everything. It's alright, isn't it? Like, community room, like if there's a few of you, know, you can, instead of all like going in each other's room and things, you can just all like come in here.
So put in the bedrooms and made. Yeah.
It's warm in here. Have you had the heating on in here or anything?
It's all timber.
It's just
It's a timber.
right. Yeah, it's go in there. You'll feel instantly as soon as you go in. You're like, yeah, it's warm in
Well, I
there.
think there is a bit of heating on it.
Right.
But it's warm, very warm, that one.
I've gone having a word with Brooke, and I think Brooke will probably want to see around these at some point as well. But yeah, I'm well impressed with this. Like, really glad that we found this place. So, as part of the campsite, this is like a little community room that we can like relax in and things. Pet friendly, right? Then cabins with the jacuzzi and stuff like that.
Is there a jacuzzi?
Yeah.
There are going there ones.
Yeah, some of them are dog friendly as well. So yeah, so we've just been speaking to the guy there. Let's just have a bit of a. Do you know? Yeah.
So this is toilet number 1.
Okay.
And then there's one shower, so there's toilet and shower. Ooh.
Okay.
Paul's allowed in here, he's loving it.
Yeah. Hey, dear.
And then
Oh, there's more. There's more.
wait till we see in here. Game room.
All part of the campsite, guys. Do you know what? It's like, I know like we've not like stayed here yet and we've just got here, but you know that video that we just did about the 5 best campsites that
I
we
think
stayed
we'd
at?
be moving up to.
I think when we do a video like that again, this is going to be in it.
Yeah,
So,
100%. Well, he's even put like tea and coffee in there, and he said like, I forgot the milk, but we've got milk, and then he
Yeah.
said like, you can do all your cooking and stuff in there.
yeah. Well, the camera, I've got to have a go, Brooke. I've got to have a go, man. Got to have a go.
Hey! How much you betting he edits that to make it look like he only took 1 attempt?
We'll edit it. No, do you know what? I'll pretend.
Sorry!
Oh, really? Oh, really?
Hey!
Has he just put the heater on for us? Is it? Do you know what? This is amazing. This is amazing. I'm proper buzzing.
I am. Right, who's going to win, Thor? Right, do me and you need to show him how it's done, Hannah?
How long you got?
Right. Right, one more. No. Oh, Scott got one in there.
I never seen it. I never seen it at turn 9, so.
I think it's a small one. Come on, out of the way. It's harder than it looks.
Yeah, it's hard to do this.
Uno.
Don't know if I quite got that. Yeah, they both got one. They both got one. So. Okay.
Now you're done.
Does that count if it goes under?
Oh!
Oh. You know what? This is something else, isn't it? You come camping thinking you're going to be staying in your camper van, and then, you know, we've got access to like all of this. We're the only people staying here. So we've made a decision, haven't we?
Yes, we're going exploring tomorrow and we're coming back here for another night.
Yeah, we've decided we're going to stay here for another night because we don't have a campsite booked tomorrow or anything, and you know, rather than just like look somewhere just for the sake of it,
And
just
he
to
said-
stay somewhere when we can stay here, all the facilities here and everything.
And the weather's meant to be rainy again tomorrow, so
So yeah, it'll be good. It'll just give us all a chance to be able to like catch up, you know, have a good chat, and obviously with the games room. Do you know what, Scott? I lay it down right now. Me and you are doing some challenges in the games room tonight, and there's going to be things that we have to do that we're all going to decide on.
My hair.
it's getting chopped off.
Yeah, he's shaving his hair off if he loses some games. But do you know what? No, we're gonna get some of that done. So, but for now, we're just gonna relax, chill out, and take it easy.
And have a pint.
So the boys are absolutely in their element. Hi boys.
This is so intense. Come on. Yes. Oh, we got that goal.
I have, look at it. We're making tea in here tonight and Tom's cooking us a chilli, aren't you, chef?
Yes, I'm still cooking even in here, so we're gonna make a chili. Even though Brooke doesn't like chili, I've made chili before.
I don't mind chilli.
I like it. Morning everyone, it's the day after, and as we said before, we are staying for another night, and it's absolutely chucking it down. So you can see out there now, there's no snow covered on all the grass. It's obviously cleared overnight. Now, made some decisions because the weather is horrendous today, isn't it? It's absolutely chucking it down. It's really, really windy. So, because we know that we're staying here for another day, what we've decided to do is we're going to basically have a relaxing day. Aren't we, Scott? Having a relaxing day. We're having a relaxing day today, aren't we?
Hustling, yes.
Yeah, girls are still in their pyjamas and everything, but obviously we're not. Do you have pyjamas? I can't see you as a pyjama person.
No, a onesie.
Yeah, a onesie. Big fluffy ears and everything.
It's a teddy bear.
Yeah, do you know what? I can see that. We will get the shot.
Can you please go and put your onesie on?
You have to stick around for the next video for that. So guys, we're not really going to be doing that much today. We're just going to be relaxing. So, you know, there is more places that we want to go to and places that we want to see. But again, weather dependent. So, but for today, we're just going to relax, take it easy in here. We're now going to have our breakfast. So until the next one, to see Scott in his onesie, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. Until the next one, bye for now. No pressure, Scott, no pressure. Everyone wants that onesie. Comments below, everyone's teddy bear onesie.